Gary Vaynerchuk also said, jab, jab, right hook. He wrote a book about jab, jab, right hook. What does jab, jab, right hook even mean? It means that the boxers, when you're fighting, they don't just throw these big giant blows. They throw quick punches to surprise their opponent. They jab them. They tap their face a few times. And when it's time, when the punch will land, they take the extra efforts and inertia and time that it takes them to throw a big right hook with all their might. It would be a freaking waste of time to throw your right hook when, like, before that happened. At the wrong point in time, they would just dodge it. And then you would use all of this effort, and then you would line yourself up in a bad way, and you would be the one who got punched down. So you got to put in those jabs. What does that mean on social media? What I think it means, and what Gary Vee has said, is that you can't always just be selling only. You've got to be giving. And this will depend on the platform. If it's YouTube or if it's TikTok, for example, you can do a lot more right hooks where it's content. But, think of it like this. The jabs are the fun content that help people, and the right hooks are after you've brought them in, after you've gotten a feel for what's going on because of the jabs. Now you can have them hire you, or you can throw that right hook with, hey, I can help you. But the link's in the show notes, for example. I can help you. The link is below. So the jab, jab, right hook on Facebook might be a little bit different. Jab, jab, right hook on Facebook might be, most of the time you talk about your hobbies and your children and your travels, So my hobby might be bodybuilding or taking ice baths or yoga or mountain biking or CrossFit or art, crafts, or piloting, air flight. I would constantly post about my kids. I would constantly post about when I'm on a vacation, just to let people know what's going on so that they can see that I'm a real person. Those are the jabs. Talk about piloting, CrossFit, mountain biking, your kids, your travels, whatever. And then the right hooks are about your business. So you might put up a testimonial. Hey, I got a great testimonial from one of my clients, and I wanted to share it on here because it meant a lot to me. And that's the right hook. That's the right hook, meaning a way for you to jab, jab, right hook.